Hi colleagues, I'm Judith Proctor, Chief Officer to the Edinburgh Integration Joint Board and Health and Social Care Partnership, and I've got a few things to cover in this week's blog. I want to talk again about our annual performance report, and tell you more about the wellbeing roadshows that are taking place, and also give you a little bit more detail on the work that we're doing to support us in relation to the system pressures that we're all working through at the moment. So in terms of our annual performance report, you may remember last week we published our 5th annual performance report on our website, and I do hope that you've maybe had a chance to look at that and to have a look at the special edition newsletter that we sent out on Tuesday, which goes into a little bit more detail. In the newsletter and indeed in our report, we really try and shine a light on some of the incredible work that you and your teams have achieved over the course of last year, which was such an exceptionally difficult year with the COVID pandemic. So if you haven't yet had an opportunity to look through it, please do. I would encourage you to take a look and to discuss it in your teams. It's a really easy read document. You can dip in and out of chapters that you're interested in, so check it out on our website. We've also shared some of the key highlights on our social media channels, so it'd be great if you would be willing to share those and help spread the word of the incredible achievement that you've all carried out this year. We've posted it on Twitter, Facebook and on our LinkedIn. So again, please share those widely. Wellbeing is such an important topic, particularly now after the near 20 months that we've been dealing with COVID and in the face of the current system pressures. And it's great that City of Edinburgh Council's online Wellbeing Roadshow is coming soon, which is open to all Council and NHS colleagues from Monday the 15th of November. Looking after yourself and looking after your mental health is more important than ever. So I really would encourage you to take time, if you can, to attend a session that's right for you. If you're interested in attending one of these sessions but struggling to find the time, please speak to your manager so that you can make time to focus on yourself. You'll be able to find out more about these sessions and how to book on our colleague hub. Finally, I would like to say another huge thank you to all of you for your continued hard work and dedication as we come into the winter months. I know this has been an incredibly challenging time. But I really would want you to know again that we as a leadership team are doing everything that we can to help mitigate these pressures and to develop plans that we hope will support our most vulnerable people and you as our teams doing such incredible hard work. You might have seen from a previous newsletter that Tom Cowan, current Director of Operations for the partnership, is going to be moving from that job and leading a task force and helping us support our winter pressures. And he'll be coordinating the work and our plan around this. We'll talk more about this in coming weeks, but just some of the highlights of things that we've got underway. We're continuing to drive our recruitment campaign, and hopefully you'll have seen that on all our media channels. And that really is about attracting as many people as possible to come into the care sector and to help care for people in their own homes, keep them safe there. This is encouraging people into all parts of our system, and we're also recruiting to social workers for our Home First and our cluster teams. So please share those adverts widely with people in your network. We're also engaging with the college sector in terms of encouraging people who are students to maybe come into the social care workforce alongside their studies, and Tom's been leading that work with the colleges, and they've been incredibly helpful in this. And we're also looking to work with our independent care home sector on increasing access to appropriately staffed placements for people who need them. And finally, we're working alongside our care at home providers and helping them manage the challenges and looking to see what we can do about increasing their capacity. You'll no doubt know that working in health and social care is an incredibly rewarding role, but it's also very, very challenging at the moment. But do know that you make a difference every day in people's lives. There's been a huge amount of good work happening throughout the partnership, and we always try and highlight that and really welcome your stories of change and what's going on. And this week I really want to just say a particular thank you to Dr. Linda Irvin Fitzpatrick and her team, who've been hosting the latest Edinburgh Wellbeing Pact stakeholder dialogue sessions over the course of the last week. It was really well attended with a lot of very positive feedback. The group remained solution focused and sparked some new innovative ideas to take forward into our future planning as a partnership in support of wellbeing for the people and communities of Edinburgh. I think the work that's now happening within the Pact is helping us to talk to people and communities more than ever about how we can help them to live happy, fulfilled and healthy lives. So once again, and as ever, a huge thank you to all of you and your teams for your ongoing hard work and your commitment to keeping the people of Edinburgh safe and well.